Hello guys! Aqui é a Teacher Sofia da SKYLIMIT Idiomas e no vídeo de hoje a gente vai contar com a participação especial da Kat. A Kat, ela é metade brasileira e metade britânica e ela vai contar um pouquinho de como é morar em Londres e um pouquinho então sobre a cultura da Inglaterra. We hope you like it!
Hi everyone, it's Katrina here and I'm here to talk to you more about the British culture and what it's like to live in London. Food, let's talk about food. The Brits love tea. We love tea, we drink it all the time, about 4 cups of tea a day. We drink it with milk normally, and you can even go to fancy tea houses or hotels and book tea, and that normally comes with lots of different types of cake, mostly in miniature sizes, and you have Victoria sponge, which is a vanilla cake with a strawberry filling, and you have scones, which is very British, which are sort of like a sweet bread that you cut in the middle with cream and strawberry jam. So we love our tea, and an abbreviation of a cup of tea is a cuppa. So sometimes in the office we'll say, who wants a cuppa? And that means a cup of tea. And we also have fish and chips. I don't know why, but we mostly eat fish and chips on a Friday. We sometimes call it Fishy Fridays. So that's food. Of course, we have lots of different types of nationalities. We have a very metropolitan and cosmopolitan culture. So we have food from all over the world in the UK. Specifically India, we love our curries. So you will always find a curry house wherever you are in the UK, and I love it. Let's talk about the weather. We all know that England is very well known for its bad weather. It's very unpredictable, it gets very cold, but it's never that cold that it snows all the time. So it's not like Canada or New York, London, it very rarely snows, but it's just very, very cold and dark. Around 4 p.m. it's already dark. When you get up in the morning at 7 a.m. it's dark. So it's quite a depressing time sometimes, but everyone says that the UK, specifically London, is one of the best places to be in the summer, and it's great. All the pubs have the flowers outside, and people will have after work drinks all outside, and they just flock all the streets, just become like a street party. Another thing which we love are music festivals. The Brits love their music, and one of the oldest and one of the best music festivals is Glastonbury Music Festival. So if any of you guys want to ever come to the UK and go to a music festival, I would definitely recommend trying to get some tickets to Glastonbury. Talk about culture. So British people are sometimes known as being quite closed. I think we are quite conservative human beings. We're quite polite. So you can see that in the way that we speak, in the way we even ask for food at a restaurant. Everything is always, please may I have, would it be okay if I do this? I would appreciate if you would, I would be grateful, many thanks.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
So it's everywhere you go, it's, oh, I'm sorry, or I didn't mean to bump into you. Everyone is always very polite. And I think one misconception is the difference between the UK, Britain and England. So United Kingdom means England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Britain only means Scotland, England and Wales. And England is just England. It's just that one country. Anyway, I hope that gives you a flavour of the British culture and what it's like living in London. And one thing about Londoners is that we are very good planners, because London is such a big city that sometimes it takes about an hour and a half to go and see your friend, or an hour to get to work. Just so we are always constantly planning. So if you ever ask a Londoner if they're free that weekend, they will probably say no. So make sure you ask in advance. Anyway, speak to you guys soon.